Professional photography humanises your business, so people who can see what is going on behind the scenes, see your skilled workers, they're able to relate to what you have to offer. So it will show your company's culture and your values and what you're a little bit about. These kind of images are what are going to stop people, and they want to engage more with content that they can relate to.
When stock imagery is used on social media, engagement rates are low. Consumers don't really feel like they're getting everything from that company, and it's almost an element of transparency is lost with that. When professional photography is used, it really enhances the trust. Consumers want to see real evidence of what it is the customer is producing, and being able to showcase that on social media really helps with that. Helps the engagement, it helps click-through rates, it helps likes, comments and shares. So having professional photography is very recommended for social media.
There's nothing worse than seeing a company just regurgitating old pictures via social media. And we do have customers that do photography every year with us, the same customers, and they've opened up some huge new contracts and exciting new customers as a direct result of their social media and regular photography with us.
Yeah, well, I think first impressions are absolutely key when customers go onto your site. It's quite easily identifiable when there's stock imagery used, so having that professional photography really helps the trust and sort of transparency of what it is you're trying to sell. And as well as that, the engagement and click-through rates really are reflected in professional photography on your website as well.
If you don't have good visuals on your website, you're going to lose credibility with potentially exciting new customers, and it really helps in terms of lead conversion. We would just always encourage customers that are serious about generating a business online, about their corporate image, about investing in photography with us.